Hello guys, today I want to show you another practical form of 3D printing, this time a drawer organizer. I have already made one organizer, but now I'm going to make one of the biggest I've ever made. First I need to clean the drawer and then I need to accurately measure everything so I can model it. I had planned out how I wanted to store the tools. I took a reference photo just in case. Next, I ordered more material right away. A lot of filament will be used for this print. I estimate about 1.5 to 2 spools of filament. I like to use PLA Plus and now it was on sale in black, so I bought a few spools of a black filament. According to the size of the drawer, I modeled the complete organizer as I would like to have the space divided. Then I fine-tuned it a bit by rounding it out and dividing it into parts that would fit in my 3D printer. With the second organizer I used a new way to make sure that the parts fit together nicely. I made holes in the parts of the diameter of the filament to then use a string of filament to align them. After modeling, I exported all the programs for the 3D printer and printed all 9 parts. In total, it took me about a week to print. After printing the parts, I tested how they fit together and cut the wedges from filament. I then joined all the parts together using filament wedges and super glue. To save time, I printed the parts without the bottom layers. This has saved me about 2 hours of printing per part. You can see it on the video. Then I just cleared out the drawer, placed the organizer and straightened everything back up. Finally, it won't be all flying around the drawer anymore. Thanks for your attention and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Not always everything goes as you plan, so here is few mistakes what I made in this project. Enjoy and bye.